In this video, we're going to be using the 3-shot rule to create these cinematic B-roll for your aesthetic personal brand. And also make sure to stick all the way to the end because I'm going to be showing you how to edit these in a proper way to tell a story using your personal B-roll. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly let you know that my name is Torsten Roscoe and I create digital assets for content creators just like you looking to get this really cool cinematic style. If you want to edit videos in just 5 to 15 minutes tops using drag and drop presets and hooks that you can see on screen right now, go down in the link in the description and grab the Cinematic Any Style pack. So this is the 3-shot rule for your B-roll. If you don't use this rule, I seriously don't know what you're doing. I mean, you're fucking up your B-roll and your personal brand. So let me show you how I use this 3-shot rule. So the first shot is going to be establishing your story. So whatever you are going to be doing, you can see that right now, you can obviously tell that I'm at the gym and I'm about to use a leg machine or at least hop onto a machine if you guys don't work out or anything. So make sure that your first shot is always going to be an establishing shot. So whatever you're doing, kind of give the viewer what you're going to be doing and where you're at, and just everything, all the information in one shot is perfect for the wide shot. So as I play this really quick, I'll just show you just some examples. You can obviously see this is a wide shot, it's just static. You can use a zoom to zoom it in like I'll be showing you in the editing and how to, you don't really need anyone to do it. But obviously this is a wide shot. You know I'm going to be hitting this leg room. And then here's another one just to show you this kind of like really super wide shot. Obviously, you know that I'm doing calf raises in the gym right now. And another thing I love to use is the rules of third. So I'll pop up like a grid line that you're gonna be seeing right now. These are the rules of third. You can see that right here is kind of my left or whatever you're seeing. This is a rule of third, and then this is a rule of third right here. And in this video, you can see that I use the rule of third, so I make sure that there's something in front really close to add just some depth. So I cover that up with this kind of like leg machine or whatever this like iron bar is. And I also do it in this one too. I kind of put it so you're obviously looking straight in the middle, and both of the rules of third are completely covered. So the only way you can see me and really to focus on me, just to lead the viewer, is to look straight into the middle. We're gonna be looking at other shots that I use to really kind of block out. So I'll be either on the right or left. You don't have to be in the middle. You can either block out the right side and the middle and only show like the left, or you can just make sure you're only in one of the rules of thirds at all times. Now for the second shot, after you create this first shot, you want to go these in order. So the first shot would be wide, then the second shot you will be doing is a mid shot. So this is basically a little more of a close-up, just establishing what you're really doing and kind of intrigue the viewer into showing everything that's going on. So for this shot, obviously, I'm really kind of close up. This is a mid shot. It's showing still what I'm doing. It's showing me, but it's not like super wide or it's not super close up and everything just like that. I'll show you another mid shot that I got in the gym. I made it right here. My camera's kind of blurring up, but perfect. You can see that it's kind of, again, here's kind of like the rules of third. It blocks this kind of bottom so that you're really attracted to like kind of the middle thirds and the top thirds. Is just really cool, and I love using this technique. But you can see in this video, obviously it's a mid shot, it's not a super close up. And now let's go on to the third shot, which comes after all the first two shots. And you want to put these in order from the first shot you do is the wide shot. Then the second shot obviously will be the mid shot that you show the viewer. And the third will be the close up. So show the viewer the first wide shot establishing. The second shot will be the mid, show the viewer the second one. And then the third final one will be this close up to really draw in the story and kind of really make the viewer feel like they're super part of this and everything just like that. It really draws out emotion because in this third shot, you can see that I'm gripping this. So it really gives me like an emotion of, oh, this guy's like going really hard or he's struggling or something like that, just to build emotion. I even got the bling on, same right there. But here's the third shot. Obviously, you know, I'm doing the leg raises, but it shows what I'm doing and everything. Same with this shot. Here's one of me doing that calf raises that you saw, but it's just, I'm super focused on just me. You won't look at anywhere else except me because I'm just super close. And then here's another close-up shot that I did This is just a close-up shot of the leg raises being up, and then you want to obviously compile these into a story. So let's go into how to edit these properly so then it looks good and it flows every shot into every shot super seamlessly. So this one I did really quick, and then I'm obviously going to edit one with you and tell just how to create this story. But this is the first one that we kind of want to look as an overview, just to kind of give you what it looks like right away. So obviously, like I said, you start with a wide shot. So I'm going into do my calf raises. I'm coming in, you can see I'm doing it. And you wanna really pay attention to where I'm about to grab this. So right when if I review this again, right when I start coming up to it, I grab it with my hands, then it cuts into a close-up. I know I just said you're supposed to do a mid shot, but I did a close-up. If you just skip from wide to close-up, it looks super good. I'm doing it wide, and then when I come in seamlessly, I'm about to grab it, and then it cuts into me grabbing it, but not actually in my hands yet. And that's what you want to seamlessly kind of create with all of these shots. And then my second one is going to be another mid shot. My camera got kind of blurred or anything. And then my third one will be a close-up. So if I actually just got rid of this one, and then I played this first one, just kind of drag that out. So this is what it looked like if we did it properly. If I just didn't do that close-up, I just wanted to do that, but this is what it looked like. Obviously a wide shot, medium shot of me still doing calf raises, and then a close-up shot. That's exactly what you want it to look like. And now let's learn how to create this really seamlessly and make them flow into each other easily. So I'm just gonna grab all of these shots I have over here. So obviously this one's my wide shot. So I'm just gonna drag and drop it onto my clip. And then my second one, I want it to be a medium shot. So this one right here, just drag and drop it. And then my last one will finally be, we can just do this one. So as I zoom in here, I want to find where I sit down. And then this one obviously is, I'm raising my legs and everything. So I want it to kind of go into that. So I can just do me sitting down. So like right here, I'll cut it. And this is where it's gonna start off. Then if we play it, keep playing it, playing it, playing it. I'm in it, I'm up. So then I'll cut this, get rid of this, create this. And then we need to find the part where I'm up already. So right here. So then if I play this, I'm up and then I'm going down. See how you just want to really you really want to make it look like you are there, the viewer is part of it, and then this looks seamlessly good. So whatever kind of action you're doing, just lead it into the next action. And then we can do, I'm up again. So we can just cut this, bring this one over here, and then wherever we find an up version, we can just hit this, just like so. And then boom, this is what we get. So I'm sitting down, I'm up, I'm going down, I'm already up, I'm going down, I'm up, and then I do one more, up, and then I'm coming down. See how seamless and easy it is to create this kind of B-roll that looks cinematic? Remember, use the 3-shot rule. First shot is wide, second shot is mid, and then the third shot finally is close-up. And if you want to learn how to edit hooks to get this cinematic editing style just like this that I showed in the beginning of this video, make sure to go grab that pack and go click this video right over here where I show you exactly how I did it in real time.